Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Yeah, not what you'd expect, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
If you hope to get the most out of your friendships, it's important to make an effort to spend time with your friends on a frequent basis. Friends can offer emotional support and make you feel more positive, and this can help to improve your mental health and well-being. Good friendships can also stimulate your mind and help you to notice things from different perspectives. Having friends who care about you and value your opinions can help increase your self-esteem. Good self-esteem can result in developed mental health and a greater feeling of overall well-being. Playing dominoes can be valuable for your health in many ways. Puzzles can help enhance your memory and cognitive skills, while dominoes can help improve your hand-eye coordination. Good health is critical for maintaining your body and mind, so playing dominoes can be an outstanding way to stay active and healthy. Beet greens are high in antioxidants and other nutrients. They're a great source of vitamin N and vitamin C, as well as several other crucial nutrients. Beet greens can also help improve your overall health by providing protection against various diseases. Beet greens are packed with nutrients and offer many benefits, so make sure to include them in your regular diet. While it's true that olive oil is packed with health benefits, cooking everything in it can actually have negative consequences for your health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help lower cholesterol and enhance heart health. However, when it's heated to high temperatures, it can release harmful compounds that can amplify your risk of cancer and other diseases.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.